Welcome to Upcoming Cruiser Bikes, your go-to channel for the latest updates on motorcycles and rickshaws. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350, a bike that redefines urban cruising with its retro-modern appeal and unbeatable performance. Let's explore what makes this machine a must-have for motorcycle enthusiasts. Design and styling. The 2025 Hunter 350 comes with a fresh, bold design that retains the classic Royal Enfield DNA while adding a modern twist. Its compact frame, retro-inspired tank, and minimalist side panels make it the perfect city companion. With new vibrant color options and premium finishes, this bike is built to turn heads on every ride. Engine and performance. At its heart, the Hunter 350 houses Royal Enfield's proven 349cc J-Series engine, delivering a smooth and reliable performance. With a maximum power of 20.2 bhp and torque of 27 Nm, it offers excellent low-end grunt for city streets and enough punch for weekend getaways. The refined engine ensures a vibration-free ride even at higher RPMs. Comfort and handling. The Hunter 350 is designed for urban agility. Its lightweight chassis, shorter wheelbase, and 17-inch wheels provide superior maneuverability, making it perfect for tight traffic and sharp turns. The upright seating position and cushioned seat ensure a comfortable ride for both the rider and passenger, even on longer journeys. Technology and features. Royal Enfield has stepped up its game with modern features like a semi-digital instrument cluster, USB charging port, and an optional tripper navigation pod for turn-by-turn directions. Enhanced LED lighting and dual-channel ABS provide added safety and convenience. Fuel efficiency and pricing. The Hunter 350 offers an impressive mileage of approximately 3640 km/L, making it a cost-effective choice for daily commuting. Priced competitively, this bike delivers premium features and timeless style without breaking the bank. Why the Hunter 350 stands out. The 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 isn't just a motorcycle, it's a statement. With its blend of style, performance, and affordability, it's the ultimate cruiser for city dwellers and adventure seekers alike. Conclusion. Thank you for tuning into Upcoming Cruiser Bikes. If you're in the market for a versatile, stylish, and reliable bike, the 2025 Royal Enfield Hunter 350 deserves your attention. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bike launches. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.